Hi, thank you very much for purchasing the P55D. When you receive your shipment, please be sure to double-check that the accessories are complete. We have prepared an accessory box for you in a wooden crate to ensure that all the necessary tools and parts are properly packed so that you can start using the device without any problems. Next, let's take a look at what items are included in the accessories box. This is a nice accessory case containing various tools and accessories for use with the device, such as milling burrs, jigs, and cleaning tools. This is a 5-meter network cable for connecting the device to a network or PC for data transfer and communication. This is a power cable for connecting the device to a power source to ensure continuous operation. This is a 3-piece zirconia DC burrs for fine machining and engraving of zirconia materials to provide efficient cutting results. This is a 3-piece PMMA wax single flute burrs for processing PMMA materials to ensure a smooth and precise cutting process. This is a calibration burr for calibrating the equipment to ensure precision in machining. This is an Allen wrench set with sizes from 1.5 mm to 5 mm for equipment maintenance and accessory replacement. This is a set of 3 wax discs, sizes 98 x 12 mm for testing and verifying machining accuracy. This is a calibration disc for regular calibration of the equipment to ensure its high precision operation. This is a fixture to securely hold the material and prevent it from moving during processing. This is a 9-piece retention screw, M4X16 in size, for securely mounting the fixture to ensure safe machining. This is a USB flash drive for storing and transferring data. This is a dongle for software authorization and protection. This is a cleaning brush for cleaning debris and dust from machining equipment to keep it clean. This is 2 magnetic rings, size by 22, for preventing electromagnetic interference in the transmission of network cable. This is a vacuum linkage cable, used to link the start and stop of the vacuum cleaner to keep the working environment clean. This is a torque wrench with a torque of 0.6 used to ensure that screws are installed at the proper tightness. This is a spindle maintenance kit for cleaning the spindle collet to extend the life of the equipment. This is a hexagonal cutter bit, size M3, for use in assembling and maintaining equipment. This is a spindle collet removal tool for removing and installing the spindle collet. That's the end of this video. Feel free to follow UP3D on Facebook and Instagram, and subscribe to our official YouTube channel, UP3D Tech. More dental tips we'll share with you. If you're interested in the P55D or have any questions, you can contact us via email at info@up3dtech.com.